Hazur, my question is, why don't we hear about prophets being sent to ancient civilizations such as the Aztec, the Maya, and the Aborigines? These civilizations seem to have been persistently polytheistic.
In the Holy Quran, Allah Ta'ala says that I have sent prophets in each and every nation, right? And all the people of the world in different times. So this is the information given to us in the Holy Quran by Allah Ta'ala, that every nation, all the people of the world were given prophets and sent prophet during different times. And only some few prophets were named in the Holy Quran. There's 25 prophets. And the basic teaching of every prophet, whether they were in Australia or Canada or America or Asia or elsewhere, or in China or India, they all gave the same teaching, that bow before Allah and discharge your duties towards each other. So this is the basic teaching. So in this way, although Allah Ta'ala did not mention specifically in the Holy Quran all the names of the prophets, but He says that I sent the prophet in every nation, in every people.